Hey guys, welcome to Henry channel. Today in this video we have this Vivo Y21 and I'm going to show you how you can unlock this phone's screen lock if it's locked by you by mistake or if somebody else have locked it. So I'm going to show you how you can just easily unlock its screen password. So guys, as you can see, first of all, when you try to turn off the device, it will ask you for the screen lock which you don't know. So I'm going to show you how you can just simply turn it off to enter the recovery mode. You have to hold both of the volume keys with the power button and keep holding both of the keys. Keep holding both of the keys until screen goes black, and when it's black just leave the volume down. So now you can see the phone is in fast boot. Now you need to open recovery mode. So simply scroll down to recovery mode and press the power key. And now the phone is booting in recovery mode. And there you can see the phone is now in recovery mode. From here, click on clear data and clear all data. Let me just show you. There you see this option, just tap on it and it will. There you're going to see the confirmation message. Just tap OK and it starts formatting your phone. And now the phone is being restored to the factory settings. So once it's done, just go back to the main recovery menu and from here tap on restart. And that's it guys, now your phone is successfully being formatted and it may take some time to restart it. So don't be worried, just wait for 5 to 10 minutes till your phone gets booted up, and after that you can just simply set up your phone and your screen lock will be removed. Now let me just show you. So guys, there you can see now there's no screen password. So that's all in this video. Make sure to sub the channel and leave a thumbs up. Bye for now.